Good morning, students. Our today's topic is angle sum property in a triangle. And we know that the sum of all the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, we have already learned in previous classes. Here we are going to prove this theorem, that is sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and we will discuss some problem based on this theorem. Okay, now before this we are going to discuss some definition. So first is triangle. What is a triangle? A triangle is, we say that a polygon having three sides, a polygon having three sides is called a triangle. Or we may say that a plane closed figure formed by only three line segments is called a triangle. So it is a triangle, and a triangle, suppose name is ABC. So we know that a triangle having three sides, here namely AB, BC and AC. A triangle having three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. And a triangle having three vertices, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. So the triangle have six parts. What are the called parts? The three sides and three angles are called the parts of a triangle. So a triangle having six parts. Now we are going to discuss types of triangle. Okay, so on the basis of sides, the triangle is divided in three classes. Okay, so there are three types of a triangle on the basis of sides. First is equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle whose all the sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. We know that already we have learned in previous classes. Here only for revision purpose we are discussing here. So what is equilateral triangle? A triangle whose all the three sides are equal in length is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, and we know that each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. And second, isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? A triangle whose any two sides are equal in length is called an isosceles triangle. A triangle whose any two sides are equal in length, this type of a triangle is called isosceles triangle. Okay, and third, a scalene triangle. What is a scalene triangle? A triangle whose length of all the three sides are different. That means no two sides have equal length are called a scalene triangle. And we know that if the three sides are equal, that means three angles must be equal. If two sides are equal, then two angles must be equal. And if no sides are equal, then no angle are equal. That means in a scalene triangle, all angles are also different in measure. In isosceles triangle, this angle and this angle are equal in measure. And in equilateral triangle, all angles are equal in measure. Okay. Now on the basis of angle, there are three types of triangle. First is acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle, or simply acute triangle. Okay, in British English it is called acute angle triangle, and in American style it is acute triangle. Okay, so what is an acute angle triangle? A triangle whose all angles are acute. That means measurement of each angle is less than 90 degree, it is called an acute angle triangle. That means no angle is 90 degree or more than 90 degree. Okay, all the three angles must be smaller than 90 degree. So this type of a triangle is called acute triangle. Now right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? A triangle whose one of the angle is 90 degree is called a right angle triangle or simply a right triangle. And we know that in a triangle it is not possible that more than one angle will be right. It is possible that maximum one angle will be right angle, not more than one angle will be right angle. Because if two angle will be right angle, that means sum of two angle will be 180 degree. So third angle will be 0 degree, and that is not possible. Or suppose if I draw a figure such that this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. Okay, that means these two lines are parallel, and in that case the triangle will not be formed. Okay, so a right triangle is a triangle whose one of the angle is right angle. It is not possible for a triangle that two of the angle will be right angle. Okay, now third, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse triangle or obtuse angle triangle? A triangle whose one of the angle is obtuse is called obtuse triangle. And in the similar way as in right triangle, not more than one angle will be obtuse. Okay, this angle is greater than 90 degree and rest two angle are acute angle. Okay, so for a triangle it is not possible that two or more than two angle will be obtuse. Suppose this angle is obtuse and this angle is also obtuse. So in that case these two lines never meet. Okay, this line and this line never meet. That means triangle will not be formed. Okay, so we have learned that there are three types of triangle on the basis of sides, that is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle, and three triangles on the basis of angles, that is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, now we are going to prove the theorem that the sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so we have to prove that sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so for this, here a given triangle A, B and C. So triangle is ABC. Okay, so given that a triangle ABC, to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree. Okay, so here there is a construction. Draw a line L which is parallel to BC and passing through vertex A. Let us draw a line L which is parallel to BC and passing through A. Okay, now we name some angles as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, proof. Here we see that L is parallel to BC. Okay, since the line L is parallel to BC. Here the line L is parallel to BC, and we see that AB is the transversal line. AB is the transversal line. So angle 1 must be equal to angle 4. Why angle 1 must be equal to angle 4? Because when pair of parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then pair of interior alternate angles are equal. So angle 1 and angle 4 are alternate interior angles. So 1 and 4 must be equal. Okay. So angle 1 must be equal to angle 4. Why angle 1 and 4 are equal? Because these are alternate interior angles. Okay. Now in the similar way, L is parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. In that case, angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. So also angle 3 equal to angle 5. Second equation. Region is same, alternate interior angles. So adding corresponding parts of equation 1 and 2. Adding corresponding parts of equation 1 and 2. We get angle 1 plus angle 3 equals angle 4 plus angle 5. It is equation 3. So here we see that angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. Now adding angle 2 to both the sides of the equation 3. Adding angle 2 to both the sides of equation 3. So if we add equal number to both the sides, this will again equal. Okay. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 must be equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. Okay, because 1 plus 3 is same as 4 plus 5. So we have added angle 2 to both the side. So it is also equal. Now we see that angle 1, 2 and 3 make an straight angle. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 make an straight angle, and the straight angle is, measurement of a straight angle is 180 degree. So this implies, we say that 180 degree equals angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. Okay, reason is since angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 make an straight form and straight angle. Okay, so now angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equals 180 degree, and this implies here angle 2 is interior angle A, angle 4 is interior angle B, and angle C is interior, angle 5 is interior angle C. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree. Proved. Okay. Now we are going to discuss some problem based on the angle sum property in a triangle. So our first question is, one of the angle of a triangle is 65 degree. Find the remaining two angles if their difference is 25 degree. One of the angle is given 65 degree and in rest two angles their difference is 25 degree. So we have to find all the three angles. Okay, one of the angle is given 65, so we have to find remaining two angles. So let in a triangle ABC, angle C is 65 degree. That means remaining angles are A and B. Okay, so now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Why angle A plus B plus C is 180 degree? Because in a triangle the sum of all the angles is always 180 degree. Okay, so here we write region angle sum property in a triangle. So write it. Okay, write here angle sum property in a triangle. This implies here C is given 65. So we write angle A plus angle B plus 65 degree equals 180 degree. And this implies angle A plus angle B equals 180 degree minus 65 degree. And this implies angle A plus angle B equals 115 degree. Okay, so this implies angle A equals 115 degree minus angle B. Note it as equation 1. Okay, so angle A will equals 115 degree minus angle B. Also it is given that the sum of remaining two angle is 25 degree. That means either A is greater than B or B is greater than A. So let us take as angle A is greater. Okay, so either A is greater or B is greater. In both the cases, all the three angles having value, we find the value of all the three angles. Okay, so also angle A minus angle B equals 25 degree, and this implies angle A equals angle B plus 25 degree. Okay, denote it as equation 2. Now in equation 1 we see that A equals 115 minus B, and here angle A equals B plus 25, and both are the values of angle A. That means 115 minus B must be equal to B plus 25 degree. So from equation 1 and 2, we see that angle B plus 25 will equals 115 degree minus angle B, and this implies angle B plus angle B equals 115 degree minus 25 degree, and this implies twice angle B will equals 115 minus 25, 5 minus 5 0, 11 minus 2 9. So angle B is 90 degree divided by 2, that is 45 degree. So angle B is 45 degree, hence therefore angle A equals, angle A is B plus 25 or 115 minus B. So angle B is B plus 25, that is 45 plus 25, and which is equal to 70 degree. Okay, so one of the angle is triangle 65 and other two angles are 45 and 70. Angles are 45 and 70. If we take angle B is greater than angle A, in that case we get angle A as 45 and B as 70. So there is no problem because we have to find two angles. Okay, and in triangle name a specific name is not given. So one of the angle is 45 and another angle is 70 degree. Okay,